In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos on your computer. It's very easy. First, you can open your favorite browser. Now I'm using Chrome. And then you can go to YouTube website, youtube.com. And then this is your feeds, your YouTube feeds. And I'm going to my channel, my own channel. I will download one of my videos. I will download the oldest one. Let's say I will download this video. Okay. And as you can see, there is like button. Don't forget to like it and click three dots here and then click download. And you will see there are options for the quality. If you have YouTube Premium, you can choose Full HD and high. Because I don't have it, I will choose standard like this one, and click download. And if you want to check the videos you have downloaded, you can click three lines in the top left corner here, and then click downloads here, and then you will see the video. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.